Hello again, my friends. So last time we've been on a walk around the house. This time we're going onto the beach. See, my little adventure is already walking. We're barefoot. It's very hot at the moment. So I'm really happy and excited to be heading to the water. We both will go for a swim. So for those who just joined us, we live on the coast of the 90-mile beach on the west coast, and it gets pretty wild here, but during the day it's pretty warm and calm. So I will show you how our walk looks like. I will show you how it's like to go for a swim over there. Yeah, because actually it's one of the less crowded places on earth where we're going at the moment. Yes, very rare place. So I hope you enjoy our walk. Let's go. So here we are. We're lucky that it's cloudy at the moment, because otherwise it's gonna be boiling hot. So we're going through this greenery. So yeah, some grass and some other unknown plants are growing over here. And an interesting fact, my neighbor told us that he planted all this grass and trees, everything that we see over here, that he planted it before. That before it was all just pure sand and sand dunes, like several sand dunes, and now it's just one dune. And then it's this green field where rabbits and pheasants and birds and insects live. Interesting place, right? Yeah, so I'm ready, see, for a swim in the swimming suit. I have water with me, and I'm filming this for you, my friends. I love sharing. Look, it's so beautiful. I love it. Pure wild native New Zealand. And no people around me. Do you see any people? I don't see any. We're most of the time we're alone. If you're wondering, it's okay. If you're wondering if you can go crazy by living lonely, yes, you can. Oh, I'm feeling like Jack Nicholson at times, but saying that, I'm feeling like living in city was making me even more crazy. So I prefer now living rurally like this. Rurally. So here I'm carrying my baby. We're going through this beautiful green field, and we're almost there. We almost came to the ocean. It's gonna be really beautiful. Oliver always gets really excited and happy when he sees the ocean, so I will capture his face now. We're almost there. Couple more steps. Look at Oliver's face. So, are you ready to see what we see? Woohoo! Оп! Так, привет! Okay, I'm also going down. So we're finally here. We're almost swimming. Look, Oliver is already running for it. This little guy just loves the ocean. And Roxy loves chasing seagulls a little bit, just a little bit. She's not catching them. What else? Oliver loves swimming. And I love nature, so everyone is winning. And look how beautiful it is here, and so much freedom. No one is around us. There is no one here. Well, I mean, there are a couple of cars and a couple of people that are not our neighbors. But apart from that, no people, just us. So we're just gonna go for a swim now. Woohoo! To catch Oliver because he's just, look, he's running into the ocean baby. Oh my god. Whee! And it's really dangerous over here. You can, like, not even the baby but the adult can get washed away, so I'm constantly supervising. Woo! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo! Whoa! Not happy. Woo! See how much water. Yeah, I know. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Woo! See, it suddenly got really deep. So you should always supervise kids and other people in the Tasman Sea. It's really dangerous. But if you are aware of what can happen over here, you can be safe. Yes, I know. So yeah, I think Oliver had enough of adventures already. He already got washed by the ocean, he fell, he had fun, found seashell. So now we're gonna return, you know, so he doesn't get cold. Maybe I'll go for a swim too, I didn't decide yet. But I normally go for a swim before we go away. So now we're gonna go and play on the sand dune. Yeah, or maybe I will come for a swim later. It doesn't matter. Good boy. See, I taught Ray how to dig. Kapat means dig in Russian, and so he digs these holes for Oliver, so I don't need to dig them. It's a win-win situation. Now he's happy to play. And I can go for a swim. Yes, I will go for a fast run swim, and I will be constantly supervising my kids and my dogs. Yeah, I constantly have to be aware of them because, you know, it's a highway, there is ocean, and I'm a mother of so many kids. I'm responsible. Look at this dirty man. And you know what, to tell you the truth, have I ever imagined that I will ever live like this? Like this? Like this? No. But I always wanted, not always, but recently, I had a dream that I wanted to live on the ocean. And here I am, I'm living here. And I honestly wishing, I think I just seen something in the ocean, jumping out, I don't know what it was. Anyway, I'm wishing to everyone that you chase your dreams, you chase your goals, and you achieve them, because it's a wonderful feeling when you achieve your dreams, when your dreams come true. So whatever you want, just go for it. Never stop. You don't have to stop. To the infinity and beyond. Wash Oliver. He thinks that water is cold. Yes. Oh, my sensitive baby. Oliver is 1 year and 3 months right now, and what? He loves ocean. Yes, but he's afraid of cold water. Oh no. Well, I had a little feel for the water, but I cannot really go for a swim because I have Oliver and I cannot leave him alone on this beach. So we're just gonna head back to the dune because otherwise he's gonna get cold. There's no sun and it's a bit windy, so it's a bit chilly. Yes? Yes. Okay, so we've done swimming. I rinsed Oliver with fresh water so his skin doesn't get irritated from salt water. Then I dried him and put dry cotton hoodie, see, so it keeps him warm so he doesn't get sick. So this is the way if you want to keep your child, yes, healthy. Oh, you're tired already, look at you having so many adventures. So yeah, always carrying fresh water because you never know what can happen. Normally I also bring some food with us, like a banana or a muesli bar, because again, you never know what happens. You are out in the wild. Yes? What if we get stuck, or who knows? So anyway, we're heading back now. Can you imagine, I'm carrying this baby and he is 12 kilos almost, yes? 12 kilos on one hand. Pretty heavy, I would say. So here we are, guys. We got onto the dune, back to the dune, back home. Woo! So see, we are on the border of two worlds, the ocean and the forest, and we're standing on the dune. Whoop, whoop. Roxy, 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 Roxy. I'm feeling a bit of adrenaline, actually, to tell you the truth, by standing over here, because we're standing on the top of the dune. So I got really tired and we're just sitting here and screaming. I don't know why, and just chilling. So yeah, I'm gaining back my energy because if Oliver will refuse to walk back, I'll have to carry him. And yeah, so this was our walk. I really enjoy living here, and we're gonna move. We're gonna move to another rental in just 3 weeks, so I will incredibly miss this place. It was a true unique experience, and like, to tell you the truth, I've been on the west coast of New Zealand many times. Before I've been often camping on the west coast. Mostly it was Fatipu campground. I was going to the places like Muriwai and 90 Mile Beach and Ahipara and top of Muriwai. I even have a video about this, you should watch it, like Muriwai fishing. Yeah, it's gonna be over here. And I've been really enjoying West Coast, and you know, the possibility, this opportunity to be able to experience how it's like to live here was truly magnificent and magic, and I'm really grateful for this. I love New Zealand, and I'm really excited for our next house. It's gonna be different, it's gonna be easier for me and more adventurous. Going home. Ba-dum-pum-pum. We're going home, we're going home, we're going home. Ba-dum-pum-pum. So it's 7 p.m. and I already dirty, and yeah, so I already put Oliver to sleep, and when I put him to sleep we have the sunset all the time. Just look at this, so beautiful, isn't it? stunning. And yeah, camera just doesn't actually show at all. It's so beautiful. I love it here. Хороший мальчик. Хороший зайчонок. Спокойной ночи, мой бельчонок. Ой, какой хороший мальчик. Такой сладкий. Good night. Sweet dreams. So yeah, I'm going off to work. Thanks for being with me.